Yeah, good evening. Happy new month. Wow, it's been a while. I couldn't show up last week due to some other activities on my schedule. So, uh, I'm sorry for not coming up last week. And actually, I watched the market movement all through, so there was no tangible direction, not until on Friday, which happens to be the NFP day, and you can see as usual, the release of the NFP news, usually have impact in the market, whether immediately after the news or after the news. The previous NFP news, didn't really take much impact on that Friday, but the following Monday, very early in the morning, there was a serious change in the market, and gold in particular moved with about 760 pips within the space of 5 minutes. You know, it was a big one. So this just past Friday, the NFP day, market moved with over 200 plus pips, and usually when such news comes in, even by tomorrow or Monday, the effect of that news will still be in the market, and anything can happen. So for that reason, I will advise that we, trade with caution. Don't rush into any trade tomorrow. And if at all you want to do any of this, maybe you should wait till sometime around 8 a.m. in the morning, and at the same time, don't joke with your stop loss, because it's going to save your house in case the market go against you. So here is gold right before me, on a daily time frame. My indicator on my 1 hour on daily time frame is not really showing a clear direction, be it on a buy or on a sell. Though from look of things on a daily time frame, if you look at the last four candlestick, it's forming a kind of minor support. It's forming a kind of minor support. If you look at it, it's forming a kind of minor support, and at the same time, the two supports, are sitting on my 200, my 50 and 200 EMA, which is giving some level of reasoning and a kind of bias for a buy direction. And as a result of that, coupled with my observation in the market for over a month now, I'm expecting gold to make a new high to somewhere around 1844, even though it has approached around 1830, 1833. I'm looking forward to see gold around 1844 to confirm this resistance. And the Friday NFP news, you know, make US dollar drop. So there was some losses on US dollar, and that's the reason why we see the move on the buy direction for gold. And with that, I'm still expecting further buy opportunity on gold up to at least gold is on 1828 up to somewhere around 1846, and better still to around 1856. So looking at it, I will advise we watch out for gold movements tomorrow. There's possibility for some pullback after breaking this range, coupled with the pullback. So I will advise my own case. I will advise we probably, can you see, I was mentioning a kind of minor support on daily time frame is a bit clearer on 4 hours time frame. So looking at go around here, I'll be, if there's anything that will happen, looking for go to come to this kind of area. I'm not sure if it's going to confirm this to make triple bottom. But looking at Fibonacci retracement from the last buy, from the last sell to the last buy, I'm looking at go to come to this area where we look for a buy opportunity that will take us to somewhere around 1840 upward. So in my opinion, my 50 EMA on 4 hours time frame already crossed my 200 EMA, which is showing a buy opportunity, and my candle is showing a support here, and the ranging market already break out and trying to make some pullback. So after this pullback, I'm so optimistic to take a position on a buy market. So that is it for gold. So uh going back to my daily time frame, according to plan, this is my Bitcoin USD, for investment purpose. Bitcoin is proving the analysis to be correct. If you check my previous message on Bitcoin, when it was somewhere around, I was proposing Bitcoin break this zone and come further. But after this pullback and breakout, I realized a buy strength. So all the way from here down here, I've been, seeing Bitcoin going higher, and that's exactly what it's doing. So with the effect of current situation of GBP JPY, two things is about to happen here. This is the trend of the market. According to what I'm seeing here, it means GJ is changing direction. So currently, these three support trend channel have confirmed here and here. So two things is going to happen within now and next 2 weeks, which is likely that DJ will be looking for continuous drop, and if it's able to break all this zone, then we'll be looking for DJ coming so low. But with what we have here, we are seeing a kind of strong resistance around here as a result of what we have here and what we have here. And with what we are seeing here now, this is a bear candle on a daily time frame for last week Friday. And with this, there's possibility because this is showing a uh, inside bar that will give a sell continuation on GJ. So I will advise seeing a 4 hours time frame, looking at it. So there's every possibility that GJ will be targeting somewhere around there before considering coming so low to this stage. So having a sell bias, one still have to be careful because so many of us, we don't know how to check when market is reversing, and it's very important. This trend of the market, looking at this structure, it's like a cup. It's like a cup. At the same time, like inverted head and shoulder. And according to that, looking at the last sell before this pullback, if I take my Fibonacci retracement, it means uh, DJ is on discount zone. It came to discount zone, which if you are considering this sell formation, you will discover that it has approached or reached a point where a sell is inevitable to some large extent. So all this about DJ, according to my analysis, shows that DJ should make some more sell. Should make some more sell. Wow. Euro GBP. Don't let me talk on this for now. Talk on this for now. And move away on this guy. There is higher possibility for Euro USD to come as high as this as a result of last week news. So there's higher tendency that dollar will see experience some drop down, and as a result of that, there is possibility that any little advantage on euro will take the market as high as this. So uh, that is it on euro USD. I wouldn't say much. Just looking at analysis that is ready to make some move. Not done. Not done. Okay. So there's possibility for a sell continuation. But above everything, you might consider there might be a buy reaction here, or as a result of this, there might be some pullback, which will now give us a direction to make a sell opportunity. So watch out for this area also. There's possibility for a sell on daily time frame. All the analysis simply based on daily time frame. So as a result of this can make some pullback, then continue. You understand? Then continue. But it's not good right now to make any assumption on Euro JPY. So can go on a lower time frame. Seeing this around these two support around there, can wait, see market come this low, then see if there's going to be a buy opportunity. This buy opportunity will be a short one because this market is on a sell trend. So I was expecting this high here to stop here, then make a sell, but as market will have its way, you can't predict the market 100%. So it break further, then from this end began to make that sell move. Now looking at what we have here now, do we have any reaction around here? Yes. Look at this area. Look at this area. So we cannot always have 100% analysis in the market. So according to what we have here now, this can make some. This is a support area. We can let it come further low for any other thing. You understand? So that is it. The same structure around there. So let's see if a support return to a resistance. So if this resistance will maintain, then make some pullback, and if it happens, it means the pullback will be a short term, whereby we'll be focusing more on a buy opportunity. Focusing more on a buy opportunity. So which means when they can come back to this area, then you make that buy. Make that buy. From here, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the third equation is shorter to the fifth equation. So just pay close attention to the market. So if I'm going to do anything around there now, is to wait. Is to wait. So basically on what's it called? So I'll be looking at this area for a resistance to look for a sell. So for now, and this trade also is showing a lot of buy move. So all the drop at this point now, this zone has been broken up here, then make some pullback. So at this stage, we've seen that there is more of supply around here. So I'm looking at the new structure of the market. See that recently the market have been struggling to break downward in the market. It has been struggling to break below. So the direction is up. As you can see, the direction is up. So you should be looking for an opportunity to make some sell in the market. So I think that's all. So now these three resistance channel have been broken now. So with this now, I can see the market is kind of giving us some kind of new shape. Looking at this area, see market coming on NZDJPY to around 79.07. So around this area, likely to be looking for a sell opportunity. So two things is going to happen. This is a daily time frame. So there's possibility that this market want to establish an inverted head and shoulder. An head and shoulder. Then start looking for further sell. But before anything will happen, I expect something to come as high as this. So thank you. That will be all for this week. Check one of or two or those three pair I talked about and make good use of them. I wish you a profitable month. Have a wonderful night rest. Bye.